Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so very much for joining me today. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today's video is another little mystery box. If you guys have not seen my mystery box openings, go ahead and check that out on my channel. There are a number of them there. This is the latest box that I got from HMV. HMV are doing a range of mystery boxes, which I'm loving. This one is the same price as the rest. It's $9.99, and inside this box it contains at least 5 items. They're saying the value of this box is around about £25. That's based on Amazon price. So if you're looking for a comparison at probably the lower end, I would check out eBay, maybe somewhere like that, because you'll get much more competitive pricing. But we're going to check out this box. This box contains at least 5 items to do with pop culture. They're all licensed merch. They're from TV, films, music, gaming, and much, much more. Guys, I've already cut the bottom of the box just to make it easy for us to open, but I have not looked inside, and I'm super excited. I'm going to move my little Christmas tree out of the way. I thought it would be nice to have a little bit of Christmas decoration going on. So I love the color of this box. These boxes come in 3 different colors. The yellow one, which is the video that I just uploaded maybe about I think I uploaded that maybe a week or so ago. And this is my new next box. I do know that they have, this is the pink peachy box. I do know they have a blue box. It wasn't in store when I went to buy this box, but I do see that they have it online. These boxes are also currently available. You can buy them online. It's $9.99. I don't know what the delivery is because I go to the shop and get these, but I doubt it's very much. So let's open the box. I'm super excited. In the last mystery box, I got some really, really cool items. Do go and check that out. Okay, let's open the lid. Okay, this is first thing I've noticed. I'm not going to look completely inside, but I've noticed that this is a huge box, and you can see there's a lot of space. Let's go ahead and pull out our first item. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have a Bob Marley. I'm assuming this is a Bob Marley poster. It looks like an A4 poster. Let's just pop it off. Pop. Let's see if I move the box just over so we can try and get the full. Okay, this is nice. This is, you guys can't even see it in full. This is a nice poster. I mean, I don't mind this poster. It is quite thick quality. It just has the picture of Bob Marley with the little flag and Bob Marley emblem at the bottom. These, I did get a poster in my last one, so I'm not really surprised that I got a poster. It wasn't Bob Marley, however. I'm going to just twist this back around because I want to put it back in the container. I did get a poster in my last one. You guys check out the video if you want to see what poster that is. And these posters, they're not full A3 posters. Oh my gosh, I can't get this back in. They're not full A3 posters. They are A4 posters, and the price for an A4 poster, I checked it out on Amazon. It was around about £5. I do know that these little posters are selling on eBay for £2 and £2 delivery. So we're going to go ahead and just assume that this is a £2 poster. So we've got £2 worth of our value right here from the box. The next thing that we have inside the box is a Star Wars product. I really like these heat changing mugs. I think they're really awesome. This is a Star Wars heat changing mug. It is an 11-ounce ceramic mug with the heat activated design. I'm assuming the design, here we go. This is the design. There is a little nick in the bottom of the box. I mean, it's not a disaster, but I do like my things sent almost mint if I can get it. But I mean, it's nothing to get too mad about. So when it's cold, you have this pattern, which I think is quite cute. And then when so when it's cold, it's this pattern. And when it's hot, it's this pattern. I do like these color changing mugs. I think they're quite cool. Let's go ahead and find out what the price of this little, so if we put up Amazon, to find out what the price of this heat activated mug is. Now guys, I can't guarantee that this mug is going to be there, but we will try looking for the Star Wars heat activated heat changing mug first. Okay. Oh my gosh. There are a lot of Star Wars heat activated mugs. The cheapest is, let me show you guys. So the cheapest is probably this little one here with R2D2. It's heat changing. It is $7.99 plus £2.50 delivery. But you do have a ton. So we have ones at £10, $8.45. Actually, the $8.45 one is probably the cheapest. So if we say roughly that we'll probably go with our $8.85. So if we even take it that this little mug is worth £8, we've already got the value of our box with these two. If you wanted a resale or resell, we've got our price back with just these two items. So that's pretty awesome. I'm quite impressed with that so far. Okay. We have a Harry Potter notepad. This is a premium A5 notepad. It's got, let's pop it out of its container. Guys, no spoiler alerts, but I got the same notebook in my last mystery box. I don't mind these notebooks. So I already know the price of these notebooks. These notebooks sell for roughly £10. You can see the intricate design. I don't even know if you guys can. On the side of the notebook. The notebook has this gorgeous silver skull on the front. I really like that. It has got 240 lined pages, and this is the inside of the book. I do like the little skull and almost snake effect at the back. It has got an elastic for place saving. And the inside of the book, I mean, this is great quality paper. 240, it is so nice. This is the inside cover. And let's see and then we have the back cover that's exactly the same. This is a really, really nice book. I do know that these are selling. They're selling on eBay from roughly £10. I have listed this book on eBay. I've listed this book on eBay at £5 with £3.10 delivery, because I try to be fair. If I'm not going to keep something, I will either put it in a giveaway, or I will sell it. I will just sell it on because I don't want to keep it, and somebody else might as well have something that I'm not going to make any use out of. But I am selling this book on eBay. If any of you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below and I will pop you a link to that item. But I'm selling this book for £5 and £3.10 delivery. So you're getting it cheaper than what people are selling these for on eBay, because they are selling them between £10 and £12, and you have shipping on top of that, or delivery on top. So that's a nice little notebook. It is pretty cute, very, very handy. And it's not one of those big, bulky, heavy notebooks. It's quite sturdy. It's not super heavy, and it's quite cute. Let's see what else we've got in this box. Okay, I feel something at the bottom. We'll look at that last. Okay, so we've got this Game of Thrones keychain. Again, I'm a Game of Thrones fan. I do collect the pops, and I collect mostly the dragons, because I have a real interest in the mythical dragon. I do like this keychain. Again, this keychain, I mean, it's pretty good. I probably will list this on eBay. So again, if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below. It's a pretty nice rubberized licensed product. I mean, that's pretty nice. So we will go and pop that back into its little container. And we'll go and have a look at how much this is going for on Amazon. So it's a Game of Thrones keychain. And I might again, guys, I mean, it's kind of hit or miss with Amazon. You don't always, and there are thousands. Amazon has thousands of products. So we have, do we have something similar to this one? I'm trying to see if we have, okay, guys, we have a similar sort of style right here. Let's just go and have a look at it. So this little keychain is still the rubberized keychain. It's in the similar bracket of the one that's on Amazon. This is selling on Amazon for $3.61. Realistically, if I was going to sell this keychain, I would probably put it on eBay for £2 with shipping. So if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below and I'll send you a link to that. Bear in mind, guys, that eBay do sell things internationally, but if you are not from the UK, you will pay international shipping, and sometimes it's not worth it. So just bear that in mind, that the shipping costs are dependent upon where you live. But if anyone's interested in this little keychain, let me know in the comments below, or any of the items, any items that you see in this video. I will happily list them on eBay and I'll send you guys the link. Let's see. Okay, we have one item left, and yep, box is completely empty. It's a huge box for just a few items. I suppose that's a sell-in technique. It definitely drew me in. So let's just, before we go to the last item, let's just count up what we think we have left. So £10 with the mug and the poster. We have, I'm going to say £5 because I know what I'm selling this for. So I'm going to say we have 15, 16, 17. So I'm saying we have £17 here. I'm really lowballing a lot of these prices just because it's what I think that they're worth. I mean, it's obviously relative. If you guys think they're worth more, that's totally fine. I'm just giving you an indication of what I think. We've definitely smashed the $9.99 value of the box. I don't think, even with the last item, and I'm going to show you guys what it is, I don't even think we've touched the $24.99. But this item is super cute, and unfortunately the light is getting to it. So it's one of these 3D effect art cards. This art card is, I'll show you for reference. So this is our A5 notebook, and we've got, I'm not really sure what size is slightly bigger than an A5, but it is bigger than the A5 notebook, and it is one of these, I don't even know what they're called, but it says at the very top, always bet on black. And I just think that is awesome. I love the movement. It is so cool. This little art card is completely blank on the back. You can put this into a frame. It would actually make a really nice gift if it was framed. So you guys can frame it and give it away as a gift. I'm selling these little art cards. I did get an art card from my last box. I'm selling these little art cards for £3 each with delivery. If you guys are interested, let me know, and I'll send you the link. Or what I might actually do, guys, is put the links to the eBay items in the description below. So if you're interested in buying any, just go ahead, click the link and buy away to your heart's content. But I really like this. This is a DC licensed product, and it's the Lego Batman movie. I love how Batman's smile goes from one side to the other. It is just so adorable. Guys, yeah, so I'm selling these probably around, well, my last one I listed for £3. So if we really think about it in total, for all the items that we got inside this box, we definitely, we smashed the $9.99 value of this box. So you cannot be unhappy with buying a box that is that price, and you're getting this amount of really good quality. I'm trying to keep these all on. Really, really good quality licensed merch. I think in total, depending upon what I list it on eBay for, that we're probably talking around the value of maybe around the value of £20. And I'm still okay with that because I doubled my money. So I cannot be unhappy about that. Well, guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you'd be interested in buying any. I'm definitely up for selling any of these items. And if you guys liked this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It really does help to support my channel, and I'm ever so grateful. And if you guys are not yet subscribers and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you. And don't forget about the notification bell. Guys, I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, everybody. I will see you later. Bye.